Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the same chapter 10, Mensuration, exercise 10.3. We have completed in this exercise 6 problems. Today we are going to complete the remaining problems. Okay. In this area of rectangle and square, isn't it? Area of square, what is the formula? Area of square, side into side. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Okay, using these formulas we have completed already 6 problems. Next, 7th problem. Take your book, page number 219, exercise 10.3, 7th question. See that? A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Once again I read, listen the question. A room is 4 meter long. Room is 4 meter long and the floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter, I am going to 8th question. See 7th question. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. So here in this question they given 2 measurements, 4 meter and 3 meter 50 centimeter. That means 4 meter long. Another one is wide. So it is what shape of the floor? Length and wide means breadth. So it is rectangle. Okay, so for that here they given 2 measurements, length and breadth. So we have write length equal to 4 meter. Next, 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. That means breadth. 3 meter 50 centimeter. 2 things given. Next, how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So here the room is in rectangular in shape. So how do we understood? This is a rectangle. They given the measurement length and wide. That means breadth. So if they given length and breadth, it should be a rectangle. The floor is in rectangular in shape. And how many square meters of carpet? How many square meters of carpet needed to cover the floor? So this is the floor. You have to cover the floor to use the carpet. So what you have to find? This full space. That means obviously area of the rectangular floor. This is the square meters of carpet needed. Okay, so how many square meter of carpet is needed? So length of carpet or square meters of carpet needed. Carpet needed carpet. Carpet needed or required carpet or needed carpet. However, we can write which is equal to needed carpet is what you have to find? Area of rectangular floor. Area of rectangular floor. So area of rectangle formula L into B. We substitute the values. Length is 4 meter. Breadth, see this breadth how it is? 3 meter 50 centimeter. Whenever you do the problem, both the measurements, or how many measurements are there? All the measurements should be in same unit. Already I informed. Okay. Now here this is in meter, but this is in meter and centimeter. So you convert into same unit in meter, or else write in a meters. This meter you convert into centimeter. This also you convert into centimeter. Any one of the unit we have to make it. But here in our problem they asked how many square meters needed. How many square meters? So the problem should be in meter. We have to answer in meter square. So we convert this unit in meter. So how do you convert? We convert into higher unit. So we convert into decimals. in 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. So when we 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So when we convert, we keep the point before 2 digits. So 3.50 meter. Isn't it? 3 meter 50 centimeter. We can return in this 3.50 meter. So we substitute. Here 4 meter, 3.50. Multiply. 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, balance 2, 4 3s are 12, 14. Here 2 digits in decimal place. So we keep before 2 digits. 14.00. It after the decimal point there is a 0. It has no value. Then unit is square meter. This is meter, square meter or meter square. So 14 meter square of carpet is needed to cover the floor. Understand? Clear? Okay. Next. 8th question. See the question. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of size 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Listen once again. A floor is 5 meter long. See that? A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So here also they given long and wide. So it is obviously the floor is in rectangular in shape. So this is 5 meter long, wide is 4 meter. This is rectangular floor. In this, a square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. On the floor they laid a square carpet. They laid a square carpet. This is in square in shape. Its measurement is 3 meter. Each side of the square. This is carpet. 3 meter wide carpet. This is floor. Okay. On the rectangular floor, we laid a 3 meter side of a carpet. Here it is. This carpet is in square in shape. They laid it. How the question is what we want to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. So which one? Here this portion we have to calculate. So this area we want to calculate. Okay, so how do we? From the floor, area of the floor minus area of the carpet, isn't it? So we will get the area of the portions not carpeted. Clear? So we can write first floor. Length of the floor. Length of the floor. Floor is in rectangular shape. So length of the floor. Next, breadth of the floor. Breadth of the floor 4 meter. Next, what is given? 3 meter. What is that? Side of the carpet. Carpet is in square in shape. Side of this carpet 3 meter. Okay, what are the things is given? We written. See, all the measurements are in same unit meter. Next, we have to find the area of floor that is not carpeted. Area of floor is not carpeted. Equal to this shaded portion, area of outer minus area of inner. So area of outer is floor, that is rectangle. Area of floor, that means it is rectangle, minus area of carpet. area of carpet. This carpet is in square in shape, isn't it? So which is equal to area of floor is in rectangle. So area of rectangle formula L into B minus area of carpet. Carpet is in square in shape. So area of square, side into side, that is A into A square. So we substitute L into B, what is it? Length into breadth. 5 into 4 minus side 3 into 3. So which is equal to 5 4s are 20 minus 3 3s are 9 equal to 11. Unit is in meter. Area we are finding area, so unit is meter square. So 11 meter square is the area of a floor is not carpeted. Understand? So write down these both the questions in your classwork. Next, 9th question. See the question. 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So here in a piece of land, its length is 5 meter and wide breadth is 4 meter. So the land is in rectangular shape. So the land, this is the land. Land is in rectangular in shape. Its length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter. So rectangular 5 meter, 4 meter rectangular land is there. In this 5 square flower beds, 5 square flower beds, each of sides 1 meter. So 1 meter side 1 meter of square flower beds are dug in this land. So here 1 2 3 4 5. Likewise 5 flower beds, square flower beds are dug out. Okay, dug and they keep a flower bed na flower dug பண்ணி அதுக்குள்ள fix பண்றாங்க. Okay, 5 places. In each side is 1 meter. In each square side is 1 meter. Say they dug out and they put a flower bed on these places on the land. Now what they asked, what is the area of remaining part of the land? What is the area of remaining part of the land? This we have to find out the area of these portions. These are flower beds. These are 5 flower beds. This is square in shape. Its side is 1 meter. Okay, what to do? So from this bigger one, area of land minus 5 times of area of flower beds. Isn't it? These flower beds are in square in shape. The land is in rectangular shape. So area of rectangle minus 5 times of area of square. It just substitute the values and find the value. Understand? Okay, we can write it. What are the values is given for land? Land is in rectangular shape. So length of the land. Length of the land is equal to 5 meter. Breadth, wide. Breadth of the land equal to 4 meter. Okay, next for flower bed. Flower bed is in square in shape. So side of a flower bed. Side of the flower bed is 1 meter. So here all the measurements are in same unit in meter. Now we have to find the area of remaining part of the land. Area of the remaining part of the land. Remaining part of the land equal to area of land minus 5 times of area of flower bed. Area of land. Land is in rectangular in shape, so area of rectangle. Area of rectangle minus area of 5 times. Here 5 flower beds, so 5 times of area of flower beds. Flower beds is in square in shape. Okay, so area of rectangle formula L into B minus 5 times of area of flower bed, area of square, that is A into A or A square. So we substitute the values. L 5 meter, breadth 4 meter minus 5 into side 1 meter. So which is equal to 5 fours are 20 minus 1 ones are 1, 5. Answer 15 meter square. 15 meter square. Okay. So 15 meter square of land is not is remaining part of the land. Understand how to find out? So when you read the question, understand, and then you draw figure according to that, then you can identify easily. Next question 10. 10th question is, just by splitting the following figures into rectangles, find the areas. Here the figure is there. So we have to split into rectangles. So first copy down this 9th question. Next we can draw, copy down this. Next I draw this figure and then we'll split into rectangles. Okay, 10th question. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. So the first one figure is this one. We have to divide this figure into rectangles. According to the measurements, we have to split and then find the area. So we split first. Before that they given here 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Here there is a pending. It is small. So first we can split this one. This is here. This we make one rectangle. So in this rectangle, this full length is 4 centimeter. So here we have to measure this, all the measurements we have to split. This distance how much? So from this here 2 centimeter. From here we can split after that we can make it. Line so you get one, but this will make a one rectangle. This it is not a rectangle, so we can split likewise. 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. In the space அது ஒரு கிடைக்கும். Likewise. Okay. We splitted here one rectangle. 1, 2, 3, this 4. 4 rectangles. This one it's like a square. What is the measurement? First after splitting this we find out the measurements, sides. Here in this 4 meter, this also 4 meter, because this one 3, the remaining this one 1 unit. Okay, these two are equal, opposite sides are equal. Those are 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. But here this distance is 3, so the remaining distance is 1. So same way, this is also 1 centimeter. Next, this distance is 2 centimeter. So this is also 2 centimeter. So I write this values in rose color. So 1 centimeter. Here this is 2. This is one rectangle. So these two opposite sides are equal. Here 2. So here also 2 units. 2 centimeter. Okay. Now this distance we need. Here for this to length 4 centimeter, okay. Breadth inge 3 centimeter, inge 3 centimeter varano. But in the distance 2 na, the remaining distance 1 centimeter. Likewise, the full length 3 centimeter. Inge already 2 centimeter poichu. Appa idu 2 centimeter. This length is 2 centimeter. So these two opposite sides are equal. This length is 2 centimeter. இப்போ இங்கே 2 centimeter வந்துருச்சுன்னா இது totally 4 centimeter, but this 2 centimeter over, so this remaining 2 centimeter is this one. Likewise, we have to split. Then for this rectangle, the length is 2 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter. இங்கே இது okay. But here for first rectangle, length 4 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter. This is how we have. So length fourth rectangle ku length 2, breadth 1 centimeter. Okay. Second rectangle, length 3 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter. Adu okay. Next third rectangle. Here we said the breadth is 2 centimeter. Length this one 1, here 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1. So overall 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now the total length of the rectangle is 4 centimeter. Next, the breadth of the rectangle. Here this is 4 centimeter, this 2 centimeter. Now this breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the area of each rectangles. So area of rectangle is L into B. Here we have first thing we have to divide the figure into rectangles. Then find the areas of each rectangles. Okay. Now area of rectangle equal to L into B. What is the formula? L into B square units. The length of first rectangle is 4 centimeter. Isn't it? Now 4 into breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay. First we write the first rectangle. Rectangle 1. Length of this one is 4 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. So area of rectangle equal to L into B. Substitute the values. 4 into 3 equal to 12 centimeter square. Okay. So likewise we need to find the area of rectangle 2. So the heading is rectangle 2. What is the length of this one? L is 3 centimeter. Breadth of this one is 2 centimeter. So area of rectangle 2 is 3 into 2, 6 centimeter square. Next, rectangle 3. Length of rectangle 3 is, what is that? L is 4 centimeter. Breadth is 2 centimeter. So area equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8 centimeter. Next area for fourth rectangle. Rectangle 4. L length 2. Breadth 1 centimeter. Area 2 into 1, 2 centimeter square. Clear? So how we found? The work is only we have to split into rectangles and split the measurements from the given measurement. Okay, you get the length and the breadth of each rectangle, then easily find out the area of rectangles. Likewise, we can do this big problem. See that they given the diagram is this one. So we can split. I split now this in a straight rectangle. Okay. So this is first rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle. Very easy. Okay. Or we can straight lines, 2 rectangles. Likewise also you can split any one of the way. I split like this. Here measurements for this rectangle. The measurement is this whole length is 3 centimeter. And here they given this length is 2. The same thing here also. So this is 2. So this is also 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Okay. Likewise here 2. This is also 2. Here 1. For that rectangle 3, the length and the breadth are given directly. We get it. So from this we identify the length of the second rectangle is 2. Length and the breadth of the first rectangle. Length is 5 centimeter. Breadth, the total whole length is 3. But this distance is 2. This distance is 2. So what will be this one? 1. This one is 1 centimeter. The total distance is 3 centimeter. This distance is 2 centimeter. So the remaining one is 1 centimeter. So length of the rectangle 1 is 5. Breadth of the rectangle 1 is 1 centimeter. So can we find out area of rectangle 1, 2, 3? Likewise. See, for area rectangle 1, rectangle 1, length equal to 5 centimeter, breadth equal to 1 centimeter, area. Likewise, you find out. Likewise, I give them measurements for rectangle 2. For rectangle 2, this one. What is the length? This is. Length is 2 centimeter. Breadth is 1 centimeter. Likewise, find the area. Rectangle 3. For this length is 2 centimeter. Breadth is 1 centimeter. Find area. Okay. Draw the figure and split into rectangles. Write the measurements and find the areas of each one. Likewise, do the same. Okay, I split this rectangles in this 3 way. One way we get 3 rectangles. So I given all the measurements of each 3 rectangles. You find the area. Okay, can you do that? Do properly in full form. How do I write it here? The same way, find out the 3 rectangles area. Okay, do this. 11th question. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. This is also same way, but these figures are very clear, easy to split. You try it, find out. Okay, do yourself. Next, 12th question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter. This is one problem, and one more 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. Okay, see the question once again. 12th question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively? How many tiles whose length and breadth? So here tiles. This tile is in rectangular in shape. How do you say? These tiles are length and breadth are. They given length and breadth. For a tile, given length. Length is 12 centimeter. Breadth is 5 centimeter. For a tile, they given length and breadth. Here, how many tiles are needed? Will be needed to fit in a rectangular region. Can be fit in a rectangular region. So there is a rectangular floor or rectangular wall, whatever it is. In a rectangular floor or rectangular wall, there is a rectangular region. It's whose length and breadth are in this question. The rectangular region whose length and breadth are 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter. So 144 centimeter is length, breadth is 100. Okay, length and it's a rectangular region. In this, its length and breadth are 144 centimeter and 100 centimeter. In this region, we have to fit some tiles. Its length is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. We have to fit the tile in the rectangular region. So, how many tiles needed? So, likewise, its length and breadth. Likewise, tiles we have to fit. We have to fit tiles. We have to fit tiles, the rectangular tiles in a rectangular region. So, how many tiles needed to fit in this complete flow, complete the region, rectangular region? So, how do we? The space, full space we have to cover with the tile. So, we have to cover the tile in this region. So, that is area of rectangular region. Area of rectangular region. In this area of rectangular region, we have to fill the tiles. So, how many tiles needed? So, number of tiles. For that, we have to write so many tiles we have to fit. How number? So, we have to divide in this full area with the area of tile. So, number of tiles is equal to area of rectangular region divided by area of tile. Understand? So, then only we have to get a number of tiles. Okay, total number of tiles get by the division of area of rectangular region divided by area of rectangular tile. Okay, so tiles measurement is here. Then rectangular region. For that region, length is 144. Breadth is 100. So, in this they given length and breadth are 100 and 144, but length is should be in the higher lengthy measurement. So, I wrote it like this. Next, number of tiles needed. Number of tiles is equal to area of this region, rectangular region. Region divided by area of tile. That is L into B divided by L into B. For this region is bigger one, so we use the letter capital L and B. So, capital L divided by small. Okay, you substitute the values. How much? 144 into 100 divided by this 12 into 5. Now, here we can apply the simplification, numerator and denominator. Any common divisor we can cancel. 112 is 12, 12 12s are 144. 1 5 is 5, 20 5s are 100. Denominator cancelled, only one. Numerator 240 divided by 1, that means 240. Units are in centimeter, so centimeter square. Sorry. We are not finding the area, we are finding number of tiles. So 240 tiles is needed to fix the rectangular region. Understand? So when we find out the number of tiles, number of things, you have to divide the area of bigger one divided by area of smaller one. Understand? Likewise, B problem, the same thing, tile is in length and breadth, same length and breadth of the tile, but the region is different. For first one, the region is length 144 and breadth 100. But here the next for B sum, length of the region is 70 centimeter, breadth 36 centimeter. So number of tiles equal to area of region divided by area of tile equal to L into B divided by L into B. Substitute the values. 70 into 36 divided by this tile 12 into 5. Here numerator and denominator 12 and 36 are divided by 12th table. 1 12 is 12, 3 12s are 36. 5 into 70 or 5 and 70 are cancelled by divided by 5. So 1 5 is 5. How much? 1 5 is 5, remainder 4. 4 5s are 20. So 14 5s are 70, 3 times. 14 into 3. Denominator 1 into 1, 1. How much? 12, 4. 42 tiles is needed to place in that region of length 70 centimeter, breadth 36 centimeter. Understand? How do we find the number of items? Okay. So write down in your classwork. This chapter is over. So here in this chapter what we have learned: area, perimeter of rectangle, square, triangle and hexagons, pentagon, everything. Number of sides, okay, perimeter of all the figures. What we have to, perimeter means sum of all the sides. Then area of rectangle and square, only two shapes. Area of rectangle L into B, area of square side into side. Then you apply the formula in some statement problems, situation problems. Okay, so for that we have to read the question clearly, understand it, then whatever measurements are given you write in that, identify and write it, and then what we have to find, whether area or perimeter of what shape, then identify and write the formula and substitute and solve it. Okay, that's all in this chapter. Okay, go through, write everything, prepare well. This chapter is very useful for all the higher classes, so don't forget the formula. Read the question, statement problems, you have to do the statement problems very well, then only you are familiar in this chapter. Okay, done. Do all the problems. Okay, thank you, bye.